Ladies, what if I told you the cellular line from all the males you ever had sex with is floating around in your body right now? Microchimerism, a short definition for it is when cells from another organism enters a woman's body. Let's start off by talking about mothers during pregnancy. The placenta is the gateway used to exchange nutrients from cells between mother and child. But some of those cells make it outside the placenta, bypass the woman's immune system and enter the body. And it could be any type of cell, heart cells, brain cells, stem cells, enzymes, etc. Even if that baby died or you had an abortion or a miscarriage or you gave the baby up for adoption, 10 to 20 years or even forever, that baby is still part of you, fighting off viruses and repairing tissue, etc. Vice versa between mother and child, hence mother's intuition. Now let's talk about male microchimeria. Some cells from the male sperm also bypass the woman's immune system and enter her body and penetrates her blood-brain barrier. It enters a woman's brain. Yeah, Y chromosomes have been found swimming around in a woman's brain for decades, if not forever, from most, if not all men she ever had sexual relations with. After many studies and research on the female autopsy and dissecting their brain, they found that 60% of women had the presence of male microchimerism. Some women more susceptible than others depending on health and immunity. You might pick up a trait that you don't like, and that's why couples after a while they started looking at the like. And by the way, I got good traits, baby. You are what you eat, and also you are who you hunt. Now let's talk about saliva. Believe it or not, it's more important than you think, and it also has a mystical and sacred vibe to it. Like me. There's a large quantity of DNA in saliva. It's used for DNA analysis, genome sequencing, and etc. Now, body fluids play a major role in intimacy. Kissing didn't just become a modern day commodity. It played a major role for thousands of years. Saliva releases hormones like dopamine and oxytocin. And oxytocin is the hormone that gives you the feeling of love and caring. Saliva is very important when it comes to sexual pleasure. Now, during sexual intercourse, all the cells in her body charges up, and during her climax of her orgasm, her saliva gets fully charged, and then, pow, she marks her territory. And now a part of her is inside of him, and that's well known in the world of Kama Sutra. Now, if you cheating on your girl, then you go home and kiss her, a part of them is in her. Now you wonder why she's bipolar, crazy, and schizophrenic. Nigga, you made her like that. Now she got Becky, Pinky, and Brandy inside of her. Probably Alex and John too. Don't get me wrong, saliva has a lot of benefit. It heals, it kills bacteria, and it's a painkiller. This video is not to discourage nobody, it's only to help you become more aware, and I'm single. This for my future wife. Pause the body count, baby. Don't believe nothing I'm saying. Eat the fish, spit out the bones, and do your own research, my mans.